they have an ice skating rink. Have you ever heard of a ship with an ice skating rink? They have water slides. I'm sure they got laser tags somewhere around here. Ice skating. There's so many different things to do. So let's see them all. Y'all know I don't sleep when I go on vacation. We got things to do. We could have slept at home. So we are on the 15th floor. Look at the view. The view down there is called Central Park, I believe. It looks so, look at that. There's just a whole bunch of different stuff around here all the time. But yes, we are on the 15th deck.